Fellow Zimbabweans, comrades in the Zimbabwean Defense Forces, it is with deep sadness that I address the nation and our leadership today. Around 65 officers, men and women of the Zimbabwe National Army have been arrested and taken for investigation by intelligence field security personnel from Military Intelligence Directorate MID. Zalabina mashukubdanyo kupangwa ino na Winston's Kaukima Pranga to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Among these brave soldiers are the guard commander and the sentries on duty that day, corporals, lance corporals and privates. They have become victims of the deepening institutional decay within the ZNA. As I speak, they are being held at 2 brigade headquarters, Cranbourne Barracks. They are undergoing interrogation, and the reports indicate torture in an attempt to force confessions regarding the distribution of pamphlets bearing the code name the People's Army. These leaflets were found scattered across cantonment areas in Harare on the morning of Wednesday, 10 June 2026 at the following locations: 1 Commando Regiment, 2 Brigade Jose Magama Togogara Barracks KG6, Zvarasiko Barracks, 2 Infantry Battalion, Manyame Air Base, Air Force Headquarters. This incident has left the rank and file of the Defense Forces deeply angry. Let me be very clear. Every struggle has its casualties. No amount of intimidation, harassment or torture will force the soldiers of this country to support Camp 3 maintenance or any function that has lost confidence of the people. You will never identify the individuals responsible through these methods because this was not the work of outsiders. It was an inside operation carried out by serving personnel. To warn you, it is a well-coordinated message from within the barracks. Stop wasting time and national resources chasing shadows. The men and women you have arrested are innocent. Release them immediately and end this madness of persecuting soldiers for expressing their frustrations of the entire institution. The Zimbabwe National Army is not private property. It is a national institution composed of patriotic men and women sworn to defend their sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the people of this country, not to protect individuals or factions. We remind you once more and make no mistake about it. This is the People Army. Be warned. Domashukano mdanyo kwa pangwa ine na retired Lieutenant General Winston Branca. Pina comment section meduzo fulo imo tulipa msoro pichit kwa ichi. Zon subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.